How can teams integrate accessibility into their day-to-day operations instead of treating it as a separate project? Treating accessibility as a one-time project is incredibly inefficient. It is actually the most costly way to operate because you end up having to go back and rework everything you've already built. Integration starts when management sees the value in accessibility and drives it forward as a core business practice. This means building tooling and training directly into your planning, development, and launch cycles. When these checks are part of the release process, the team knows exactly how things are done, and accessibility is no longer an afterthought. It can be helpful to view this work similarly to cybersecurity. While there is a bit of a heavy lift at first to establish the standards, the more you incorporate them into your everyday practices, the more they simply become a matter of course. When accessibility is woven into your standard workflows, it stops being a project and starts being just how you do business. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.